How to activate Windows 10. So if you want to activate your Windows, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to click on this search, and now you have to search for the run. Click on it, and here you will see uh, you have to write Ratchet it, and then simply click on the OK, and then click on yes. Now you will see these options. Simply you have to click on the H key local machine, and here you will see again different options. In the H key local machine, click on the systems, and in the systems you have to search for the current control set. Click on it, and here you will see services. Just click on it. Now scroll down, and you have to search for the S, or you can simply scroll down like this, and here you will see STR SV VC. Click on it, and here you will see start. Double click on it, and here you will see value data 3. Simply make it 4, and then simply click on the OK. So once you will do it, your Windows 10 will be activated. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.